Hey there, my name's Adam. You're watching my renovation on Iris Street. It's week 165, and just like that, Christmas is here. Before I head out to Brush to spend the holidays with my family, I do a little bit more work on the skylight beams, and I fix a plumbing disaster in the basement that I created myself. So, without further ado, let's get my toilets upstairs working and have a happy Christmas. I start week 165 by cutting these skylight beam pieces to length. Each beam is a slightly different length, plus or minus an eighth of an inch, but I want these to fit tightly, so I measure everything twice. Back downstairs, I glue up the next beam wrap. I don't have enough pipe clamps to glue everything at once, so I'm doing these beams a beam at a time. On Friday, I tackle the plumbing repair I've been dreading. When I installed the upstairs toilets, I accidentally knocked plastic down the mains, which has been preventing the upstairs toilets from flushing. Using my uncle's sawzall, I cut the blocked piece of cast iron pipe and install a new length of PVC pipe in its place. Guys, what a mess, but I think I got the job done. I'll let this PVC cement dry before I test it in full, but here's part of the offending piece. There was definitely a clog in this piping, so I don't know. Hopefully I can flush my toilets upstairs soon. I'll keep you posted. Just like that, it's Christmas Eve. My family has always opened presents on Christmas Eve, which leaves Christmas Day free for visiting Grandma and eating lots of Christmas cookies. One of my favorite things about Mom and Dad's home is their wood-burning stove in the basement. When it's cold out, there's nothing like enjoying the warmth of the fire while playing some games downstairs. And speaking of, Lila and I have a tradition of playing Minecraft every year over the holidays. Today, she's building on a new map we started. In the afternoon, my Aunt Patty comes over and we all play some board games by the fire. To all my friends and family, near and far, I hope you had a great Christmas. Until next week, stay warm and happy renovating.